Hello friends, in continuation with previous lectures on right circular cylinder, today in this lecture also we are going to discuss some problems on right circular cylinder. For the sake of simplicity, I have divided this topic into four types. The first type we are going to discuss now. In first type, radius of the cylinder is given and axis of the cylinder is given. What is given to you? Radius of the cylinder is given. This is the radius, 2 is the radius, and this is the equation of axis. Two things are given. Radius of the cylinder is given. In the figure, this PM is the radius of cylinder, and equation of axis means equation of this line is given to you. When you start solving this problem, always you have to let P be any point on the surface of the cylinder. P be any point on the surface of the cylinder. This P is the point which is present on the surface of the cylinder. Since the equation of axis is this one, that this axis passes through the point 103, means 103 point is lying on the axis, and M is the perpendicular drawn from the point P on axis, and PM is the radius of the cylinder. AP you can find out because on AP two points are known to you. First one is 103 and second point is XYZ. Means using distance formula you can find out AP, distance AP. This is the distance formula. Distance formula, under root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 square plus z minus 3 square. And next thing is to find AM. But finding AM, you have to be careful when you find AM. So how to find AM? AM is the projection of AP on axis. AM is the projection of AP on axis. So for this projection, two things are required. The first thing is what? The direction ratios of AP. The direction ratios of AP are x minus 1, y minus 0 and z minus 3 are the direction ratios of AP, and the direction cosines of axis must be known to you. So here from this line, direction ratios of this axis or line are 2, 3 and 1. And once you know the direction ratios, you can find out direction cosines. Here we found our direction cosines. How to find direction cosines from direction ratios? 2 by under root 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square, comma 3 by under root same thing, comma 1 by under root the same thing. And 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square is 14. Therefore root of 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14 and 1 by root 14 are the direction cosines. Now two things are known. Direction ratios of axis are known to you, x minus 1, y minus 0, z minus 3, and the direction cosines of axis are known to you. So how do you find AM? How do you find projection of this? AM is the projection of AP on axis. So how do you find AM? It is very simple to find AM. X minus 1 multiplied by this plus y minus 0 multiplied by this plus z minus 3 multiplied by this. And here try to solve for one more step. 1 by root 14 is common, therefore take 1 by root 14 common and try to solve this one. In minus 2 minus 0 minus 3 is minus 5. Now we have obtained AM, PM and AP. So in triangle APM, use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle APM, use Pythagoras theorem. So this is the Pythagoras theorem, and putting value of AP, AM and PM here in this equation, so you will be getting this one. Then resolve this by a minus b whole square, then y square z minus 3 whole square. You can expand it, and here 1 by 14 is there. Root 14 square is 14, and 14 is present in the denominator, therefore multiply throughout by 14, and this 4 into 14 is will be what, 56, and multiply all these terms by 14 again. On the left hand side you will be getting this, and expand this thing. Expansion of this term is important because many students commit mistake while expanding this one. The a plus b plus c plus d whole square, in the beginning I have written formula. The a square plus b square plus c square plus d square, d is minus 5 whole square, plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2ad plus 2bc plus 2bd plus 2cd plus 56 is already there. Now like terms you can shift on the left hand side. Means, for example, 14x square minus 4x square is 10x square, like this, and this is the equation of right circular cylinder. So hope you understood this. Thank you very much.